Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a question we've all pondered: how to wake up without feeling like a zombie. We'll share practical tips that can transform your mornings from a groggy mess to a revitalized start. Let's begin with your night routine. Prepare your body for sleep by dimming lights and avoiding screens an hour before bed. This creates an ambiance that tells your body it's time to wind down. Try establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your body's internal clock will thank you. Now let's talk about why your mornings feel so rough. A significant factor could be sleep inertia. This is the grogginess you experience when you wake up abruptly from deep sleep. Here's a fix. Try a gradual wake-up approach. Use an alarm that simulates a sunrise, gradually increasing the light in your room. This helps your body adjust naturally. On top of that, get moving as soon as you wake up. It doesn't have to be a full workout. You could do some light stretching or even a quick walk. Physical activity boosts your circulation and releases endorphins that help you feel more awake. Let's not forget about hydration. Drink a glass of water right after you wake up. After hours without fluids, your body is craving water. This simple act can do wonders for your alertness. Also, consider your diet. Eating a balanced breakfast with proteins and healthy fats keeps your energy levels steady. Avoid sugary cereals that give you a quick spike but leave you crashing later. Caffeine, while tempting, should be consumed wisely. 1 cup in the morning can lift you up, but dependency can lead to afternoon slumps. If you need an energy boost, try herbal teas. They offer sustained energy with less risk of a crash. Lastly, think about your mental state. Start your day with a brief meditation or journaling session. Setting intentions can provide clarity and focus for the day ahead. This mental preparation can be the difference between a frantic morning and a serene one. By implementing these tips, you'll transform zombified dawns into energetic mornings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-enhancing tips.